What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have a Grumper, a Fab Four Grumper for the JK. And I have my brother and my wife out here because we are unboxing it. And I've actually not seen anybody else unbox a Grumper. So we're unboxing it today. I may not be installing it tonight. I might just be taking her bumper and winch off for tonight, since it's a little bit late, but we're gonna go ahead and open the box and show you guys what's inside. I see a box inside of a box. Okay, Katie. Why are we having her pull it out? Okay. Just set it over. Yes. You want to go there or open this up? You just want, can you get it out of the box and set it on the blanket? And there it is. That's the Grumper. That's what it comes out of the box.
So what's all in the box? Like all the grills and stuff?
Here, dear. You want a knife? You don't need knife. Oh, okay. Need knife. The blinkers. The other blinker. Badger bolts. Oh, that's the headlight sleeves.
Yeah.
Sleeve?
Yeah, it's to go around the headlights.
What do you mean?
It
I don't know what it fully looks like.
it goes in the hole. And there's the grill.
Yes. This way or this way?
The other way.
This way?
Yes. It goes inside from the back.
Yeah.
Is that it? Was that everything in the box?
This looks fun.
Just a bunch of bolts. So, okay. Well, there we have it. That would be a unboxing of a Fab Four Grumper. Probably going to call this a video and then make another video of basically installing it on the vehicle. You know, it's pretty straightforward. Read the instructions and assemble it. But at least this way you can see what comes in the box, how it's shipped. She was able to get that box in the back of her Jeep because she went and picked it up for me. So there it is. There's the winch bolts on it. Someone had asked me if, you know, of course you would assume that it has the winch mounting for it. So there it is. Yeah. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's the unboxing of the Fab Four Grumper. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.